will mark this exciting occasion with a hanging of banners. Holding the torch, bearers and the radiance will go. Children, go up to your lines. Thank you very much. May these banners serve as a reminder that Miss Palaron is about more than just competition. It's about celebrating teamwork, fostering friendship, and creating memories that will last a lifetime. Torch bearer, you may now go back to your lines. Thank you. May I call on stage Oyana T. Molina, Astor John C. Barredo, and Charlize Pia Victoria S. Arevalo, all from the inter-level, to lead us in the singing of the Palaron theme song with a friend, composed by Sir Leo Esteban. Children, we will sing together the theme song of the Palaron.